One thing I've noticed about having kids is that there are toys everywhere. I wanted to come up with a way to keep all of that mess out of our main rooms. In our basement we have a crawl space, so I thought why not make a cool secret room. Now having all that storage is great, but the amount of junk you collect is not fun. The first thing we had to do was clear out all of that junk. And when the crawl space is only 4 feet tall, it is not fun on your back. So we decided to get some scooter boards to help us out. Once all the mess was cleaned up, then it was time to get started on the construction. I decided to go with carpet in this room because it's going to be a playroom, and because of the height you're probably going to be crawling around a lot, so I wanted something that's a little easier on the knees. It turned out pretty cool and the kids love it. The only issue is it's always a mess. So there's still a few more things to do in here. I still need to finish the fish tank area, as well as the toy storage area, and put a door, maybe even a hidden bookshelf. I haven't really decided yet. Stay tuned for part 2 of the crawl space renovation.